It is Sunday the 27th of the 3rd 2022. This is my first video I've done where a weekend review of the previous trading week, so we'll jump straight into it. If we scroll back to Monday, we can see this is a follow-up from my last weekend review. We can see we got the break here and the retest to the 8, and the price just shot up in towards Tuesday, which I didn't trade because I was still managing this trade from the Monday. So we can see there we're into Tuesday. We're on the 30-minute time frame, GBPJPY. So this trade, so initially I had an aggressive entry on the Monday here, which was against my trading plan because we got the trend line drawn from these high, lower high here. But what I'd seen is when we got the print in and we got the bullish candle here in line with my line there, if you can see that, I entered on that and then price just dropped down, shut me out. So I went against my plan there. It was an aggressive entry. So, but my review from the Sunday weekend was that we were looking to take buys at the test of this level here around 156598, or even down towards this level here, which was around 156458. We got that, got my entry, yeah, smashed through me TP1, and then we managed that trade through into Tuesday for a total of 311 pips. Then we were into Wednesday, and we got higher low here, we got higher low here, we got the break of that structure here with this bearish candle. Didn't take a position obviously because it's against my plan, and because we're against the 50, I'm not trading in the direction of the trend, so I waited for the break. Oh no, what I've done is because of this level here, all this, I was expecting price again to respect these levels and push up further. So we got the retest to the 50 to push up higher, possible targets around these highs. So I had an entry here, yeah, because of the respect of the 50 on this bearish candle. Didn't do that, took me out. So there was a loss there. So as soon as that happened, then I was looking at the break of structure here. We didn't go against the trade plan against the 50 here, but we got the break of the 50, which stopped me out. So I waited for the retest here, back towards the 8 MA. So I got in here, and price just shut down for an overall 96 pips. Then into Thursday, we got, what did we get? Where was my entry? It was here. High. Was it here? Nope. Into this day here. Yeah, I had it drawn here like this. It was this. So we had a confirmed high, a confirmed lower high, a break of structure with this bullish candle here, and then onto the 15-minute we got a small retracement back down towards the 8 MA on this bullish candle here. So I got in looking to target these highs, and we got in, and that was a 54 pip. But then the bigger retracements came in and respected this level here, which I did have drawn on my chart. We can see it here with this pin bar, this candle just here. You can just make that out, and I've got a second entry for the day in there, and shot up and for a further 43 pips. Let's clean that off there. Clean that off there, keeping your charts clean. And then into Friday, what did we have? We had a confirmed, this is in Asia, we had a high here, confirmed high, lower high, coming in towards London. What did I get here? I think I got stopped out here actually, remember right. Was it that 1 2 minutes? Sorry. So we got high low here, got a higher low there. It could have been this here, sorry. So let me delete that one. So we got breaker structure on this bearish candle here. Yeah, waited for the retracement back up. I entered aggressively here on this bullish candle, and it stopped me out. Yeah, I didn't wait for confirmation on that close of the bearish candle. So we got a stop out on 20 pips on this one. So after that, I got in. So we got the breaker structure, the retracement back towards the 8. Yeah, stopped me out with my aggressive entry. So then I waited, and then we got the bearish here. So basically it was retesting this resistance here. So my bias was still to respect the fact that structure had been broken. So I was looking for sells. So I entered here, looking to target these lows, and I had my weekly wick drawn on here. So price was shot down, and I targeted that for 73 pips. That was the end of Friday. So I hope that helped. I like to review my trades because it'll help you and it'll help me. So yeah, look forward to end of week review next weekend.